Hi, Marcus Gons with the MA Properties Online team for a long-awaited episode of Martini Monday. We've been busy with a whole raft of other things over the latter part of the winter here. We're just getting ready for the spring market. It's going to kick off in a couple of weeks' time for us. So what we thought over the winter, we would change the format of Martini Monday up a little bit. Change it up, see if we can't combine a couple of passions of mine. First of all, cocktails, and the other one, real estate. So what we thought we'd do, we'd give you a sense of some of the recipes and the cocktails that we're enjoying at the moment, and then we'll throw in a little bit of real estate just to kind of keep it topical. So thought we'd start off with something quite famous. I dusted off, I'm a bit of a Bond fan, I have to say, so I dusted off that 1953 Casino Royale book to find out how do you actually make a shaken not stirred, or from the book it's called a Vesper. So dusted off the books, 3 parts gin, 1 part vodka, and then a vermouth. Quite hard to find, but I did manage to get it in a shop, a wine store in Burlington. I'll put the recipe as part of this video as well, so you can see where that is. Have to say it's really good. Shaken not stirred, because you need to shake it just to dilute it just that little bit. It's quite a lot of alcohol in it. It's got quite a kick, but it tastes really good. So this week's cocktail is from way back in 1953 from Casino Royale. It is the Vesper, and I'll put the recipe in the video too. As well as that, I thought we'd bring in a little bit of what we're doing with real estate. So the big thing for us in January is we produce our market reviews. Here they are. They've been delivered to Lexington, to Burlington, and to Arlington. So everybody in those towns should have already have got one of these. Cram-packed with statistics and useful information about what's happening in the real estate market, but also what's happening in the town. So that's just hit mailboxes. Next week we should hit some mailboxes in the Lexington area with our very localized real estate market in specific areas of Lexington, be that Folan Hill, Merriam Hill, whatever those different areas are. It's about 20 of those going out over the next week or so. So look out for that in your mailboxes as well. Other things happening, the big one for us as well as the market review is we updated the website. That was a big deal for us. We had 2 websites for 12 months. And now we've finally brought those 2 together into a single platform. So check out mapropertiesonline.com. You'll see that we brought together the statistics and the community information together with everything about buying and selling, which were separate. They're now together. So we think that's a great platform. Lots to do, lots more content to add, but it's a good start, and we'll be adding to that as 2019 progresses. So please take a look at that website. So that's Martini Monday for this week. I've got a lot more to talk about. We were in New York at an Inman conference 3 weeks ago. Lots of information there. Some new marketing things we're going to do in 2019. But I'll stop there because we'll have something to say next time. So with that, I'm going to enjoy my Vesper, and I hope you have a good week. Bye.